So at CES, I got to check out Project Ava from Razer. This is a pretty cool AI concept that basically takes AI and gives it sort of a physical form right in front of you. It's a pretty cool idea that I was kind of skeptical on at first, but after getting tinkered with it a little bit, I think this is going to be a pretty cool thing. Now, one of the first things I want to mention here is that it's an open AI platform, meaning that while it's going to come with some default AI, if you're using something like ChatGPT or even Google Gemini or another AI platform, and you have a lot of context and history within that, you can bring that into Project Ava so you don't have to start all over again, which I think is a pretty cool thing. Now, the device itself is actually pretty simple. You can see it's just a cylinder with a 5.5-inch holographic 3D display inside of it. That's where your AI companion will be shown. It does have an array of microphones to speakers so it can hear you and it can speak back to you. It also can see you at the top there with the camera as well too. Now, where this shines really is where it can be used for gaming. So any game that you're playing, it can kind of give you some advice.
Sport class rocks. Go L110 LMG with light barrel and vertical grip. Defibrillator, supply bag, smoke grenades, pure team beast mode.
It also can connect outside of gaming into some other things. So like we were talking about stuff from CES, and we're able to have it give us some context, some of the trending topics that are going around during CES.
CES is buzzing. AI everywhere, rollable OLED TVs, wild AR glasses, and Razer's sneaky gaming reveals stealing the show.
It can also work as sort of a daily planner, a wellness routine coach, so it can do all sorts of different things. Now, we demoed this specifically with Kira as our AI companion, but there's going to be several different companions you can choose from male to female, even a small little orb with a Razer logo on. You can use that as well too. And I'm pretty sure there's more versions of AI companions going to be coming down in the near future. They can customize and kind of choose how you want that all to be set up. Now, this is a project that is coming out. Razer has confirmed that. You can reserve now. I'll leave the link in the description below with it, and let me know what you guys sort of think about this. I think this is a pretty cool idea and concept to bring AI, like I said, instead of physical form. I think there's a lot of people that would kind of like this sort of thing, but let me know what you guys think about this. Thanks for watching, and always remember to live your tech world in high definition.